Hello.
What are we doing, Ben?
We're gonna go kill a man in Reno.
Yeah?
Just
Why?
to watch him die.
Oh yeah, alright. Sounds reasonable.
Yeah.
Let's go. Gotta go left there, cuz. Let's watch as this unfolds. Ben takes go around a roundabout the wrong way. Let us watch. Oh, it doesn't seem that there's anyone to give way to. What the hell are we doing? This is weird. Reno!
Yep. That was alright.
Not too bad. We're rolling through downtown Reno. Big massive ball thing there, don't know what that is. I'm guessing it's something to do with a casino because there's a million casinos.
Oh, these yummies just there, mate.
Where?
Just over here.
Yummies?
Truck.
Oh yeah.
Yummies.
Oh, there's a celebrity chef at El Dorado's though. Maybe we should go to El Dorado. Oh no, hang on, that one's got a spinning circus thing. Should we go to that? Oh no, this has got a flashy casino sign though.
It's got a bridge over the top of it.
Yeah. It's right over the top of us. How do you decide what casino to go to though?
Right now I think we're under the
National Bowling Alley.
National Bowling Alley. Apparently there's like 100 lanes or something. And there's like it's a bowling stadium. So that sounds pretty mental. So we're gonna go check that out.
Oh, I didn't get a stroke again. This is epic.
This guy in the red shirt has striked everyone so far.
Here he comes. There we go. And... oh no. It's a 9. It's a 9.
Here we go.
It's visualizing a lot.
Yeah.
He's got it back. So we just finished out of the National Bowling Stadium. That was ridiculous, just blew our minds. Seeing some guy bowl like 277 game or something, and his whole team scored like, I don't know, like a million. It was stupid. It was like 1,000 million lanes in a row. Crazy. That's so serious. So serious.
So here we are in the National Car Museum in Reno. Just having a look around. Gave us something to do for the afternoon because Reno looks pretty boring otherwise. Yeah. It's better than my car.
1902 though.
It's pretty old.
With Texaco, Sky Team, fill up with Sky Team, and you will smile at the pile of new miles you will add. Fire Team, fill up with Fire Team, you'll find that Texaco's the finest friend your car has ever had. And now, ladies and gentlemen, introducing America's #1 television star, Milton Berle. Hello, Milton Berle? Yes, this is Milton Berle.
Off to the shops. Sipping on gin and juice, laid back for my money on my mind. Oh yeah. It's a nice hat you got there though, Ben.
Thanks.
That's really good. Good stuff. Now Ben, just turking on random hats.
Trying on some hats.
Really nice. Really good. That was even better, bro. Really like that. It's a good look. Oh, that's really nice.
So nice. It's tickling my face.
Golden.
This one's a little bit badass. Bit of a Rolls Royce.
Oh man.
Look at that. Yeah, that was pretty sweet. Now we're back into weird. The city's so weird. It's just casinos and I don't know.
Casinos and pawn shops.
Hey, pawn shops. And that's about it.
Yeah. Oh, there's food.
Not much.
Not very much.
Not very much food. But we're gonna go find some for dinner from Whole Foods and head back to Lake Tahoe and chill out for the night. Do some more video blogs. Yeah. So we just found this like random climbing wall thing. We're gonna see if we can take a look at it.
Oh, right, so there's still climbing.
Yeah? Yeah, it looks pretty cool. It goes all the way up. Well, that was the lead down. It doesn't open until spring, it says, so it's probably about to open, but probably not while we're here. That sucks. It looked like fun. Oh well. Sweet.
There's a rock on it.
There's the rock climbing walls.
I don't think Reno actually smells as disgusting as this van does.
I don't even think Reno smells at all, really.
No, it smells like burning because there's a massive fire.
That's
Smell
right.
that.
Yeah, there's a big bushfire over there. I don't know if you can see it, but you can see the smoke. There's a lot of it.
Circus.
And Popeyes.
Do we just carry on this way for ages?
Yeah, 7 more minutes. Well, the battery's running out.